Hi there, welcome back. So today I got a 2009 Acura TSX. So I'm going to show you how to remove the starter. So as you can see right here, first you have to remove this cover, which is 210 bolts. The cover right there. Then I'm going to remove the intake. So these are the intake bolts right here. These are 12. You have to remove this bracket also from underneath the intake. These are the tools I use. So I use 14, 10, 12 short, and another 12 long reach. Those for the chuckle body, which is 12. I use this impact driver right there, Milwaukee. This is the starter. See if I can see a part number. And the part number for it is 19082. AutoZone. Show another part of the starter. Alright. So right here, to get the starter out, so I can easily pull this nut right here. We're gonna remove this clip that go to the oil pressure sensor right there. Squeeze this tab right here and pull it off. Let me see what size is this now. So this is, look like it's a 13. Let me see. No, it's not 13. So here it is. Okay, so it's a 12 nut. Fit on it, guys. 12. There you go, 12. So I'm going to remove that this one from it now. First make sure to remove the battery terminal before start doing anything on the car, because you don't want anything to short out and cause any damage or further problem with the car. So just remove the battery terminal, guys. So you can see I remove the positive one right there. Right, so I remove the nut 12 right here and get the starter out. There you go, guys. Right, that's the same thing right there. Let's also carry a washer. Right. That one on the stay right there. Alright. On this piece here, this clip go inside the starter. This part right here. Just you're gonna squeeze with your finger or pliers and get it off. So these are the holes that I remove as well. One right there. The pliers for that. Remove the air cleaner hose right here. So I pull both sides so I can easily get it off. That's it. I'll put back the new starter in there. Right. Fix it right here, and then I'll put the wire on it. There it goes. Alright, I'm just gonna use this one. The original nut. You don't want to tighten it too tight, you're gonna break anything, guys. So I feel it stop, give it a little yank some more, and that's it. Put back this connector. There we go. So as soon as I get it, I'm gonna put this back in the hole, that clip. top back this wire on. Alright, so this is the one that removed the bolt from the bottom of the starter, 17. And right here you got the 14 for the top bolt right there. So let's see if I can get them in. Just sort of wiggle it in a little. Put this one inside there. That's it. So hope this video helped you all out there in case you want to do your own starter. So if you find the video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.